Ooh, the GoPro works. We're gonna have breakfast. Breakfast ends in 20 minutes. It ended already? Didn't you just turn 10? Johnny traded her voice for her legs. What you looking for?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Did someone draw a heart with all the grease from the food? There is no heart anywhere. This is man-made. Heck yeah. Hello everyone, back again with Roberto. What day is it? Fourth day, day 4. And we're going to go to the beach. At 12. Very excited? You can tell everyone you're the one that wanted Roberto to come today? I can tell everyone you didn't want to carry him? Why would you tell everyone that? Do you want to get a hot dog? You can't what, hold 2 cups and walk? Yeah. Wow. Let's be honest, you can't hold 1 cup and walk. We're gonna go that way. You know, those were the scared ones. They wouldn't come.